Hey, what's up, guys? Jerry here, aka Barnacules. I'm here at MRF 2018. It's the Midwest Rep Rap Festival here in Goshen, Indiana, of all places. I'm here with Midnight Giant. This is Mike here, who is kind of a weapons and armor guy in 3D printing. Would you say that's pretty accurate?
Correct.
So behind us, you guys may notice this from Joel's video. That is the BFG, the 9000. I'm not going to tell you what that means because, you know, the name is there's a little bit of stigma around the name. All right, so let's take a look at this knife here on the desk. You see that knife's got a little bit of a shine to it. That thing is friggin' amazing. It looks like metal. What is this actually made out of? It's heavy too.
It is a bronze infill from Color Fab.
Okay.
Printed out, and I started from 100 grit sandpaper.
Yep.
Slowly stepped it up to 2,000 grit.
Wow, and that's how you got the shine on it?
Correct. No coats, no coats on there, and the only thing I did was put a little rub and buff on the side to give it a different color on the side.
Rub and buff.
And it looks like you wrapped the handle in something. What is this cloth that you wrap the handle in?
That's hockey tape, hockey grip tape.
Hockey tape. So this is totally like the mullet weapon right here.
Correct.
MacGyver would approve, right?
Yep.
This thing is awesome. It's heavier than it looks too because he uses the metal impregnated filament. You also have several other knives.
Yep.
This one, I'm starting to see a trend here. What is your infatuation with these knives?
Any kind of video game that had a big sword, small sword, daggers,
Yep.
It's just a weird infatuation of the craft behind it. Because as a kid, I actually went to the library,
Yep.
looked up how to do blacksmithing, how to do metal work with it. Never had the chance to do it where I was at. And then when recently, last 2 years, since I started 3D printing, I kind of went, no, I can now make my dreams come true.
That is awesome. Is there something that's supposed to go here in the center?
Nope, that's actually, I can show you, it's just something in the future so I can do this.
Oh.
Just because I fidget way too much with all these toys.
Gotcha. It's literally for ADHD style points.
Yes.
All right, so what do you want to take a look at next?
I call it the Hell Slice Blade.
Okay.
It's a cleaver I made. Basically, I haven't seen Lord of the Rings. I know I need to, but I've seen a lot of the reference images on the weaponry that they make, and
Okay.
this thing is something I just wanted to design up because I love when a blade starts at the top and goes into the guard itself.
Yes.
And I just added a little accent right in the center just to give it that leathery look to it.
Oh my gosh, let me take a look at this bad boy. It's actually fairly lightweight.
I try with that, and with all my designs that I make, I try and make it so you don't have to have supports at all with it. So this
Gotcha.
actually prints in 2 parts, and then there's 3 metal rods that go in the center to connect it all.
I like that you're using the metal rods to reinforce it because I've had so many people, including Joel Telling, 3D printing nerd, they have cool 3D printed swords. I pick them up and they break. And then he looks at me like it's my fault. It's not my fault, is it?
No, I don't agree with having the 3D printed pegs in there. The pegs are going to be just as strong as the rest of the print. Weakest point right there along the joint. So you want something that's going to have a lot more bite to hold it into each other.
See, Joel, I didn't break your sword.
Sword done broke itself.
All right, so now we're going to take a look at an awesome sword. Let's go ahead and pick this bad boy up right here. This is very shiny. What'd you use to paint this guy?
Wicked paint. To be honest, it's got a little dragon logo on it. I found it on Amazon, and I used airbrushing for it.
Dude, that's awesome. Why don't you show us the little trick with this bad boy? It's 2 swords.
Magnetized together.
And what's cool is here, show them the inside of this. The magnets are not visible.
Nope. Using epoxy and sanding down the magnets on there, there's 2 sets of magnets in each of the divots that I created on it. So I still left enough space to put any kind of filler that I wanted in here just to give it that smooth look to it.
Dude, that is so awesome because when you look at them, if you saw those both sitting next to each other on the table, it's not readily apparent that they attach together, and I think that's cool.
Nope. And another cool feature is being at home, I got a metal wall on it.
Yep.
Let me show you something real quick.
All right.
Right here.
Let's take a look.
The way that should hang up.
How friggin' cool is that? And you can put them on the refrigerator, I'm guessing, too, like to hang notes for your mom and your grandma and such. I think that'd work, right?
It would, yeah. And also, it's a satisfying click noise.
Oh, yeah. Here, let's do that again. Let's see. Oh, and they line up. The magnetic fields line up good.
I glued one side of all the magnets first. On the next side, put them in and glued just a small bit just to get the initial magnet.
Yeah.
Then glue the second magnet on the other side.
Dude, it turned out friggin' amazing. Oh, God, it's beautiful. I love it.
Love that color that came out with green and purple. Reminding me of Nickelodeon from back then.
Nickelodeon, kids.
And knives.
So a lot of these weapons look really dangerous, but I have a feeling that you might have some stuff around here that takes it up just a notch. Would I be correct?
You would be correct.
What do you say you go grab one of the real 3D printed weapons?
All right.
All right, that doesn't look particularly dangerous.
Not right now, it's not.
Oh, it's got a big red switch on the bottom, does it?
It does. This is the
Okay.
safety switch. And
Oh.
once the little red light's on, That's when you got to be clear of the act itself.
Oh, why is that?
Because,
Whoa! Whoa! Here, let's hear that. That's badass. That's scary. Oh my God.
a side note, I do test this on myself.
You did test this on yourself?
Yes. Being in an environment with a lot of people, I need to be safety conscious.
Okay.
It will hurt.
Yeah.
But it's not going to kill you, and it's not going to knock you on your butt.
Will it make you pee your pants?
Maybe. I haven't tried that yet.
Well, we'll try that off camera. Cut. All right, well, we've seen some of the 3D printed stuff. Let's take a look at some of the modified stuff that you've done. Here, I noticed the chainsaw you got right here.
Yes, this actually came from how would you say it, hardware store that loves the color orange.
Okay.
And it was around Halloween time, just after it, walking around, I'm like, oh, that looks interesting. Pick it up and I go, I could do something with this. Took it home. It is this ugly, ugly color. I kept it here just for reference on here. The whole thing was painted wrong. So I said, no. I gotta redo this. Printed out these kickback guards.
Yep.
Doom style, painted it all yellow, put a little gas cap on here, and actually gave this a silver chain color because it was white.
Looks a lot better.
And put a better speaker in there.
And it's animated. Yeah, it doesn't look like a kid's toy now, does it, Mom? That's cool, man. Did you take that out on Halloween?
I did. And
Good
I
man.
did scare a lot of people.
That's what Halloween's about. If you guys want to see images of this, head over to Midnight Giant with a K over on Twitter. He's got pictures of a lot of the stuff we weren't able to review because this video would be literally 2 weeks long. All right, well, how many of you guys are into big-ass swords? Because I'm into big-ass swords. Are you into big-ass swords?
I am into big ass swords.
Well, I happen to see that you have a big-ass sword over here. It's, you said it was, so what's the name of it again?
It is from the video game Disgaea.
Disgaea. I have no idea what video game that is, but we're going to take a look at it. This thing is huge. Could you please pick that up for us, sir? That looks heavy. Oh my gosh. All right, so tell us a little bit about why you thought you needed to make like a 6 or 7 foot long sword.
Did I need a reason?
Not really. So did you model this yourself?
I did actually. They ran a small anime segment, so a little cartoon show, and they actually had a picture of the guy holding this straight up in the air.
Yeah.
And I freeze framed it and went, I now got my dimensions for this.
So you literally pulled this from a frame of a video.
I did.
That is awesome. About how much do you think this thing weighs?
Well, it's 13 rolls of plastic into it, and I know the metal rod that's going through the center is about 8 pounds.
It's pretty safe to say without a metal rod, this would not be, you wouldn't be able to hold this.
No, not with one hand. I can barely hold it with 2.
Well, I'll tell you what, I want to take a shot at holding this thing because he says it's a lot heavier than it looks. So let's find out, shall we? All right, let's see if we got. Oh God. Nope, you're stronger than you look, huh?
Not really.
That's actually scary how heavy this is. I feel like if I dropped this on somebody, it would just crush them.
It has the potential for that, yes.
Oh, you pretty much have to hold it by the blade, don't you? Like,
Pretty much.
that's
The best way to do it, but you got to do it the badass way.
How's the badass
Hold
way?
on.
Did you get bullied in school? Yeah, you did. Did I get bullied in school? No, because I had this.
Disgaea.
Everybody needs one of these, huh? Isn't that right? This makes you feel like a man, huh?
Yes, it does.
I mean, I literally feel like my drag coefficient has just gone up and naked in the wind tunnel. I'm just saying holding this.
I would agree.
I think so. I think this thing is so heavy, though, it's about breaking my shoulder, and I'm man enough to admit it. So we're going to go ahead and give it back. Ugh. Damn, son. How do you even store something that heavy? Do you hang it on the wall, or do you just lean it?
This is actually just leaning on a wall right now. I finished this up about a month ago, so I never had an actual spot for it yet.
So, and did you do all the paint it?
I did do the painting on there.
That looks like a lot of finish work. I'm not seeing any layer striations or anything.
I'm going to be honest. I found a new little trick. It's called an orbital sander.
I have one of those. You can use that in 3D printing?
Yes.
Oh my God!
Well, the whole object actually is broken up into 3 major chunks for the main body of it.
Okay.
And each chunk of it was actually about 1.8 pounds of filament per chunk. That was the hardest. 40 hours each print.
And I notice that you got the hockey grip tape on there.
I do.
That seems to be a trademark of your creations.
I found out about the hockey tape about 3 months ago. I was watching a video. Someone said, oh, let me put this on my hockey stick real quick. And I looked at my buddy and said, what is that? He goes, it's grip tape. I go, what? And we ran over to Dick's, and I picked up almost all they had. I'm kind of addicted to it.
That's awesome. So guys, remember, grip tape isn't just for people with mullets. It's also for 3D printing people. All right, so now to finish off this video, we're gonna go ahead and show, I believe, the largest thing that you have here that you've printed.
In time, yes.
BFG, BFG, BFG. Now, he created this case to transport it because it is so giant and awkward and heavy. And this whole box closes. Oh my God, dude, the thing is so huge. All right, I gotta set this down. Here, actually, I wanna see you wield this thing.
Okay.
Can you get it all by yourself? Oh, damn, dude, God, I don't wanna arm wrestle this guy, honestly. Look how huge this thing is. So what was the total print time on this? Because this is abnormally large.
Okay, I don't know the exact number, but I know for about 30 days on 2 printers, it was constantly going.
That is absolutely insane. Oh my God, I gotta hold this thing. I gotta hold this thing. Let's see if we can figure this out. This is very awkward and huge. Whoa, that is a big mama jamba right there. If you have anybody trying to home invade you and you pull this out on them, they're gonna run.
I would.
I'm shaking right now just trying to hold this.
I'd say the only thing scary would be a gorilla.
Like seriously, like, you think a gorilla's scarier than this?
Have you seen a gorilla?
My dad count?
It's scary.
That is nuts. Oh my God, you gotta put this back. This is gonna break my
No
back.
problem.
I love the case though. The case is absolutely cool. It's like, you know, he brings his armory with him everywhere he goes.
Unfortunately, this is the last time it's going to be shown in public.
You guys heard it here. It's the last time it's gonna be seen in public. Maybe in a video later on, but it's not gonna be in public, is it?
Well, it's going to be transformed. The whole case is going to be turned into my new coffee table.
That might be the coolest idea I've ever heard.
Door's coming off. I'm cutting it right down closer to the edge here, and a glass sheet's going to go right on top, but the lights are still going to be in it.
Dude, that's epic. So are people gonna be able to see pictures of that, and where can they see the pictures?
You can see the pictures on my Twitter or my Instagram, Midnight Giant.
Midnight Giant, guys, check it out. Thanks so much, Mike. I appreciate it. You have one of the coolest displays here at MRF 2018.
Right.
Guys, if you want to check out Midwest Rep Rap Festival, it's here in Goshen, Indiana. They hold it every year. This is 2018. I was at the 2017 one last year. A lot of really, really cool stuff. A lot of more videos to come. Hit that like if you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, good, bad, or otherwise. I don't really care. Engagement is engagement.
Yeah.
Mike, keep it up. I'm going to start making videos again. This is kind of fun. Yeah, take it easy, bud. This is solving a fundamental fat people problem. You realize this? Wait for John to reverse it. What'd you say this thing's for again? Hammer slider.